Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to enter a bounce check in QuickBooks Online. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access the bank deposit section. So log in into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the banking or transactions section. Look for the option to access the bank deposit feature and click on it. This is where you can manage your bank deposits and transactions. The following step is to create a new bank deposit. So click on the option to create a new bank deposit. Enter the necessary details for the deposit, including the bank account where the bounce check was deposited. The third step is to select the customer and payment method. So choose the customer associated with the bounce check from drop-down list. Ensure that the customer's name is accurate and matches the original payment. Select the appropriate payment method such as check to reflect the bounce check. The fourth step is to enter the bounce check amount and date. So enter the bounce check amount as a negative value in the appropriate field. This negative value represents the returned funds. So specify the date of the bounce check transaction, which is typically the date on which the check was returned. The last step is to save the bank deposit. So review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Double check the customer's name, bounce check amount, payment method and transaction date. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. Once you are satisfied with the bank deposit details, click on the save or save and close button to save the transaction. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.